Chapter 2. The Gram Panchayat. Introduction. India is described as a land of villages. That means the number of villages in India is more and the number of cities is less. About 2/3 of India's population lives in villages. Around 1/3 of India's population lives in cities. While development is faster in cities, it is very slow in villages. If there is no development in villages, we cannot say that India is prospering. In order to speed up the prosperity of villages, the government has set up certain institutions for the management of villages. They are Gram Panchayat, Panchayat Samiti, and Zilla Parishad. These institutions are known as rural local government bodies. A Gram Panchayat manages the affairs of a village. A Panchayat Samiti looks after the administration of a taluka, and a Zilla Parishad administers a district. These local government bodies are collectively called panchayats or Panchayati Raj institutions. The Gram Panchayat, the Panchayat Samiti, and the Zilla Parishad are the three elements of Panchayati Raj. The Panchayati Raj is a single administrative system functioning in three levels, that is, the village, taluka, and district levels. This arrangement is known as a three-tiered structure. It was created for the development of rural areas. Before the British started ruling us, villagers used to manage themselves. They collected taxes. They settled disputes. In other words, we could say that our villages were self-sufficient. The British did not do anything for the development of villages. Rather, they concentrated on the development of cities for their own benefit. As a result, cities developed more than the villages. After independence, many schemes were launched for the development of rural areas. Involvement of local people was important for the success of these programs. To ensure this, affairs at the local level were entrusted to the local representatives. The process of giving power of local governance to the people in that area is known as decentralization of power. The composition of the Gram Panchayat. The Gram Panchayat or the village panchayat is the basic unit of the Panchayati Raj. The Gram Panchayat may have a minimum of 7 and a maximum of 17 members. The exact number of members depends on the population of the village. Some of the seats are reserved for scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and the backward class of citizens. Some seats are reserved for women. Reservation of seats gives an opportunity to all sections of people to participate in the administration of the village. The members of Gram Panchayat represent the people of the village. They are elected from the village itself to manage the affairs of the village. The village is divided into wards for electing these members of the Gram Panchayat. They are elected by ballot on the basis of adult franchise. Certain villages have a population of less than 500 people. A Gram Panchayat cannot be formed in such a village. In that case, 2 or more villages come together to form a common Gram Panchayat. Such a Gram Panchayat is called a group Gram Panchayat. term of office and eligibility. Elections to the Gram Panchayat are held every 5 years. Members are elected for a term of 5 years. A person contesting the Gram Panchayat elections must be a citizen of India. He must have completed 21 years of age. He must have his name enrolled in the local voters list.